CM settled, 46 million. A third to Frank Randall's widow, the rest into a blind trust for his children.
You're pleased with that?
Damn straight I am.
When's the other shoe gonna drop?
What makes you think there's another shoe?
It's Tanner. There's always another shoe.
Wait for the other shoe to drop. To wait for an expected and inevitable event to occur, usually one that has negative consequences. To be prepared for a further event or for something bad to happen. Examples.
Hey, how you feeling?
Like I'm waiting for the other shoe to drop.
Oh, well, I take it everything's good on the father-daughter front.
Actually, they're great.
Well, this can actually work out then.
Let's just say I'm cautiously optimistic. I keep living my life waiting for the other shoe to drop.
You deserve to be happy.
Why? Why are you so upset with him? He's been an angel lately.
Yeah, well, that's the problem.
He's been too perfect, even for him. And I just keep waiting for the other shoe to drop.
As grand as this may sound, we owe it to the world.
Maybe. Except that I can't shake this feeling that the other shoe's gonna drop. That there's something Oliver's not telling us.
Maybe, once you're into your mid-30s, it shouldn't be called dating. It should be called waiting for the other shoe to drop.
When's the other shoe gonna drop?
What makes you think there's another shoe?
Just say I'm cautiously optimistic. I keep living my life waiting for the other shoe to drop. And I just keep waiting for the other shoe to drop.